Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and I'm coming to you from our junction hallway with my friend Isabel. Isabel, you can give a little wave if you want. She's very focused, and it's because we are making a super awesome craft right now. We are making dog ear crowns in celebration of the dog days of summer. So all you need to make these at home, you need some brown paper and some scissors. That's really it. If you have markers, you want to color in a little bit, you're welcome to do that. So I have two really long strips of brown paper, and I'm actually going to use this to make the crown that I can wear around my head. So I'm going to do that step first. For this, oh, you also need some tape. I forgot about that. You need tape or scissors or glue or something like that. I'm going to use tape today so that I can take my two long strips together. I'm going to wrap them around my head so that it's the right fit. And then I just taped it closed to make a loop, and I cut off the extra material just since I don't need it. Now here for the dog ears, what we made is half of an ear. So what I can do is I can fold this in half once, fold it in half a second time, and then I have two ears that are the same size and they're the same shape. They're symmetrical. If you're doing this at home, you can just draw a couple of ears and cut them out. But I'll show you how I make my dog ears right now. Check it out. Now I have two dog ears. All I have to do is fold down a little flap here at the top, and then I can tape that flap onto my crown to make my ears. And there we have it. I have my puppy ears. What's that? I can hear so much better now with these puppy ears. I'm all ready for the dog days of summer. As you can see, my friend Isabel is still working on her ears. This is something that we're doing here in Junction all week. And every week we have different activities going on in our Junction hallway as well as other parts of the museum. And for our friends at home, we hope you continue to do these crafts and science experiments and activities along with us. Thanks very much, everybody. We'll see you all again soon. Bye.